Boston Market, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Boston Market. Boston Market is a fast casual restaurant chain known for its rotisserie chicken, home-style sides, and comfort food classics. The company was founded in 1985 by Arthur Kors and Steve Colo in Newton, Massachusetts, originally under the name Boston Chicken. It rebranded to Boston Market in 1995 to reflect its expanded menu. Boston Market earns money by selling ready-to-eat meals, catering services, and branded products. Its mission is to serve wholesome, freshly prepared food that feels like home. The brand's vision is to be America's kitchen table, offering quality meals in a warm, welcoming environment. Are you wondering if a Boston Market franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll walk you through the brand's mission, business model, startup costs, and the support they offer franchisees. Let's dig in. How does a Boston Market franchise work? Learn about the business model, key information, franchise model. Boston Market operates on a single unit and non-traditional franchise system. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the Boston Market brand, following strict standards for food prep, service, and layout. Or fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $35,000, plus 5% royalty and 2% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Boston Market. Franchisees receive help with site selection, construction, training, and marketing. The brand provides onboarding programs, operational systems, and access to national advertising campaigns.
Anecdote. The first Boston Market location sold out of rotisserie chicken on opening day, and had to borrow chickens from a nearby grocery store to keep up with demand.
2. Entry costs for Boston Market. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $390 to $8,300 to $1,350 depending on location and format. This includes hires, franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses, and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per location is from $95,000 to $135,000. With profit margins from 10% to 15%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $95,000 to $2,500 annually.
Anecdote. One Boston Market in Florida hit $1.4 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a location near a hospital and a partnership with a local school lunch program.
3. Step by step, how to register a Boston Market franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an inquiry, complete a franchise application, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement, documentation. You'll need a net worth of $1,500,000 and liquid assets of $5,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. During Discovery Day, one applicant was so impressed by the mashed potatoes taste test that they signed their agreement before dessert, calling it the most comforting business decision I've ever made.
4. Taxes and fees in Boston Market. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Boston Market charges 2% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes TV, radio, digital campaigns, and seasonal promotions.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Ohio used their local marketing budget to sponsor a rotisserie for Veterans Day, boosting weekday traffic by 41%.
5. Hiring employees in Boston Market. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Boston Market location needs from 25 to 40 employees, including cooks, cashiers, prep staff, shift leads, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $15,000 to $4,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use digital modules and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One franchisee in New Jersey trained their entire team using Boston Market University and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 3 months after opening.
6. Boston Market operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly, ingredients and resources. $18,000 to $3,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $22,000 to $4,000 including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $3,500 to $8,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $2,500 to $2,500 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $1,000 to $3,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $4,000 to $7,000 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $3,000 to $6,000 per month including income, sales, and property taxes. Other, 30%, miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and tech services, income tax, etc.
Anecdote. One Boston Market in California sold over 9,000 rotisserie meals in a single weekend, forcing the team to restock chicken and cornbread twice in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Training and support. How does Boston Market help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees complete a multi-week onboarding program that includes classroom instruction, hands-on training at headquarters, and in-store practice. Topics include food prep, customer service, inventory, and POS systems. Operational support. Boston Market provides ongoing help from regional managers and franchise coaches. Support includes grand opening coordination, performance tracking, and local marketing guidance. E-learning platform. Crew members use Boston Market's digital training system, which includes interactive lessons, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect new menu items and procedures. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. The brand provides access to branded assets, community outreach templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Texas trained their entire team using Boston Market University and won Best Operational Launch in their region just 2 months after opening.
8. Franchise inspections in Boston Market. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Boston Market Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote: a Boston Market location in Illinois passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Rotisserie Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
Teen. Profitability of Boston Market. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Boston Market franchisees earn an average annual revenue from $95,000 to $35,000. With profit margins from 10% to 15%, net earnings typically range from $95,000 to $2,500 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 10% to 15%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 3 to 5 years, depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, rotisserie-based menu appeal, efficient kitchen design, and high-margin items like family meals and catering. Locations near schools, hospitals, and suburban neighborhoods tend to perform best.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Michigan broke even in just 30 months, thanks to a location near a commuter hub and a loyalty app campaign that boosted repeat visits.
10. Boston Market in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Boston Market operates 456 locations across the U.S. It was once a dominant player in the fast casual chicken segment, known for its comfort food and rotisserie meals, growth and expansion. The brand is now focusing on non-traditional venues like airports, hospitals, and college campuses. It's also testing new menu items like chicken tikka and biryani every 6 weeks to attract diverse audiences. Challenges: labor costs, inflation, and competition from Chick-fil-A, Panera Bread, and KFC continue to pressure margins. Boston Market responds with menu innovation, flexible formats, and licensing partnerships. Forecast. Analysts expect modest recovery through targeted franchising, tech upgrades, and regional marketing. The brand is also exploring fee-free licensing models to expand into delis, gas stations, and shared kitchens.
Anecdote: in 2025, Boston Market launched its first location inside a university food hall and sold out of rotisserie chicken by 2 p.m. on opening day.
11 Pros and cons of a Boston Market franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand heritage and comfort food appeal. B. Flexible formats for non-traditional locations. Rotisserie-based menu with health positioning. D. Corporate support and training. Cons. A. High initial investment. Limited growth in traditional retail spaces. C. Competitive fast casual chicken market. D. Brand visibility lower than top-tier competitors.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Arizona said, "Boston market gives you the chicken, the comfort, and the community. You just need to bring the consistency."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information: market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment: review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts: talk to current Boston market owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the franchise disclosure document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation: compare Boston market's training, tech, and marketing support with other chicken brands. Franchise agreement analysis: check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote: one franchisee almost signed with a burger brand until they saw Boston market's catering margins and realized rotisserie was the real goldmine.
Conclusion: who is the Boston market franchise for, and is it worth investing? Boston market is ideal for entrepreneurs who value tradition, comfort food, and a proven business model. With average annual revenues from $95,000 to $35,000 and profit margins from 10% to 15%, it offers solid returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 3 to 5 years, making it a stable long-term opportunity in the fast casual space. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $398,300 to $11,350, and Boston market enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in traditional retail spaces, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Boston market is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for home-style meals and community engagement. If you're ready to lead a team, deliver craveable rotisserie dishes, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote: in 2025, a Boston market in Georgia broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 4,800 meals in 24 hours, all through dine-in and catering. Bibliography: Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Nathan's Famous. Is Nathan's Famous a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.